Said something really hilarious on the radio. Oh, hey, I'm Woody. I'm your midday host here at KQ. And I've got some exciting news I want to share with you. I have hair. Look at that. You see that? 6 months ago, none of that was there. In fact, I probably lost more hair over the past few years than I have in the last 20. I mean, in March of 2020, right before we went into lockdown, my daughter was born. And then in Christmas of that year, I lost my job. So since then, I've dealt with depression and anxiety and all the makings of a midlife crisis. And I've done everything you're supposed to do to try to take care of yourself, stay healthy. I exercise and eat well enough. I started going to therapy. I started a podcast. Everything you're supposed to do to get better. But I didn't just want to get better. I wanted to get great. And there was one thing facing me every day that kept me from being great. My hair. So I decided to go to the Hair Restoration Institute of Minnesota. And let me tell you, over the past 6 months, feeling my hair, washing my hair, it feels amazing. And we're only halfway to the results here, okay? And these are real results. It's not a gimmick. It's not a magic pill. This is science. This is my real hair. So I'm inviting you now to come on this journey with me. If you're interested in finding a way to improve your hair, to get from better to great, I'm always here at KQ. Of course, you can reach me anytime to ask questions, pick my brain. But I want to encourage you, go to the experts at the Hair Restoration Institute of Minnesota, HRI MN.com. Can't spell hair without HRI.